Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Hi everybody, it's Miss Denise, back for another story. And also we have Lammy. Yeah, I know. Everybody came to hear a story today. Yay, you like stories, right? Well, today's story is kind of short and it's kind of simple, but it has lots of colors in it, and it's about trains. We've been having the Good Morning Train come and visit us, so now we're going to read a book about trains, and it's called Freight Train, and it's by Donald Cruz. So the pictures and the words are by Donald Cruz. Let's see how this story goes. Look at all those trains. Lots of trains. Well, oh, look at this. The front cover and the back cover have trains on them. That's a lot of trains. I wonder where they're headed. I think we're going to learn about where they're going. And it's called Freight Train. And a freight train is a train that doesn't take people, but it takes things. It takes furniture and food and toys and lots of different things to different places. And here's the title page, Freight Train by Donald Cruz. Look at that big track. Look at that track that it's running on. A train runs across these tracks. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. They all carry different things. Yellow hopper car. People couldn't go in those cars. Green cattle car. Sometimes they put animals in that car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Wow, look at that big train and all the steam coming out. That's what moves it. Freight train. Look how long it is. Lots of cars on the train. I wonder where it's going. Moving. Look what the illustrator did to make it look like it was moving fast. He drew different lines on it. Going through tunnels. It gets dark when they go through the tunnel, right? And then they come out of the tunnel. Going by cities. They're still going fast, right? Crossing trestles. Trestles are like bridges. Moving in the darkness. Oh. Moving in the daylight. Going, gone. It went so fast. It's finished. The end. What'd you think about that, Lammy? Yeah, I know. It was a kind of short story, but it's fun sometimes just to look at the illustrations. And that was a big freight train. No people on that train. It only carries supplies. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye.